Imagine the following scenario. You did write an amazing blog post, but there is no image and there is no category, no tag. The post it's on bad situation. How to fix that? It's what I'm gonna learn into this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard into the browser address bar, enter with your domain name plus wp-admin. Enter with login credentials and you're going to be able to see a page almost like this one, okay? Some menus may change, but the defaults are always there. After, review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over posts and click on it. You can create a new post by clicking on add new, or you can change or access some previously made post, which is my case. I'm going to edit this post right here. Once it opens the editor, review the left sidebar of menus. There is block and post. Two tabs right here into the right sidebar of menus. Go to post and there is an option. Get set featured image. Click on it. You can upload an image from your computer or select a previously uploaded picture. Up to you, okay? I'm gonna select this one. I highly recommend that on your picture you add an out description, an out text, a good title and a caption, okay? It's very good and helps your SEO. After, there is other things we can customize. For example, the slug, the permalink of the post, okay? As you can see, the slug is blog, but you can customize this in the case that you want. What else can be done? Still on block. We can change the author in the case that you want. The template, the format, and if you scroll down, you can see categories. We can change from uncategorized to portfolio, live, anything that you want, and of course you can create new categories by adding category. Same for tags. You can enter a new tag in the case that you want. For example, theme. Just like this. You can type your categories and your tags or select new ones in the case that you want. Simple, right? After, review the upper right corner of your screen, hit the save changes, and let's see the results we got. As you can see now, the post has a featured image, okay? Nice, right? And about this content right here, can you customize it? The content that appear on blog post? Yes, we can change the post accepts in the case that you want. Next to the image, next to the featured image, you can see the option right here, add and accept. Right here, you can type exactly what you want to be displayed on the blog page, on this page right here, okay? This content right here, it's considered the post accepts, okay? And you can type it right here, just like this. Save your change and you are good to go. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Visualmodo portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!